You have a broken toilet fill valve. This is how you replace it. First, turn off the water to your toilet. Next, you want to drain all of the water that you can out of your toilet bowl. Disconnect the water hose. I like to put a bucket underneath where the toilet fill valve is, so it will capture the excess water once you remove it. Then disconnect the water from your toilet. Once this is complete, also remove the plastic ring that attaches the fill valve to the toilet. Finally, you can remove the fill valve from the toilet, and all the excess water in the bowl will drop into the bucket that you have placed below. I was able to buy a generic Fluid Master valve, and it's supposed to be used for all sorts of different types of toilets. And here's everything that was inside the box. To install, just go backwards, first by putting the fill valve back into the toilet bowl. Put back the plastic ring. Reconnect the water back to the toilet. Connect the water hose from the fill valve to the valve. And last, turn on the water to the toilet. And that's it. Thank you for watching.